Alright, it's 9:06 and I am on my way to do 24-hour cats. They put me as Old Deuteronomy. That's okay. We're still gonna go do our best. But yeah. First place we're going today is the tank. I have my stompers on because it's supposed to be rainy today and I cannot stand wet socks. I'd rather wear clunky shoes. So, is it actively raining? Yes, it is actively raining. Okay. I'm gonna get my umbrella out and head out. I fear the wind already broke my umbrella. Do I just raw dog or... I don't know if I care or not. So I don't understand. I don't even know what this is for. Maybe the secret is get a sturdier umbrella. Plenty of people have their umbrellas out around me and they're not fucking breaking. So what is up with that? That's okay. It was $6 whole, so should have made my parents leave one of my good ones with me, but I don't know how she's doing. What the fuck? What the hell? Anyways. Okay, so I'm at the Cats rehearsal venue. I'm about to do an interview for another job and then I'm gonna go back in there.
So we do that as well. Here's some more kind of pictures at the event with the kids. You know.
Oh my God. Hey guys, it's freaking raining. We have Kate. Kate is Grisabella. I'm Old Deuteronomy. We're both Princess Tracked.
Hell yeah.
We're heading to a Starbucks to go sit and drill, and I have to plug in my iPad. I may or may not forget to plug it in at night. My umbrella's betraying me. We both have our cat ears on. I think I'm gonna braid mine into my hair.
You should.
Why not?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how it's going. Okay. So we're at the Equity Building. I'm gonna eat my salad, and then if I want more, after I eat my salad, my lunch, and my cookie, I'm going to get something else. But I brought food, so I'm eating the food. I got an Arnold Palmer and a chocolate chip cookie.
What can I get for you?
But yeah, I made the salad fresh this morning, so it should all be good.
In one of two things: an iced coffee or a cold brew from Bottle, which is mixed with maple syrup and chicory. Cold brew.
I have to keep working on caps.
I have simple syrup in the way of flavors, like vanilla. I have sugars. this is gonna be on me. Because I didn't have what you wanted. Yeah, no. That's not necessary. Not necessary, but I'm gonna do it.
Derek here is so nice. If you're ever looking for a place to sit, come to the Avenue Brew at the Equity Building. Downstairs, you just have to say I'm going to Avenue Brew. They'll let you up. They know me. I'm here a lot. Every time I walk in here, they go, haven't you been here today? And I'm like, no. Anyway, I'm called to Don't Tell Mama in like an hour. I feel like I look like a fairy, but I'm actually just in 24-hour Cats, and I'm heading to my rehearsal at Don't Tell Mama. So let's go. Every time I press those doors, takes so much work. One of my pants is being stupid. I'll fix it when I get there. I'm not worried about it. I call it quiet, still on my and let's see if I can't find my way. Oh, I'm on the right one. Okay. It's freaking raining. Not too bad. But my friends demande, la destination se trouve sur votre droite. C'est mon droite. Just Don't Tell Mama on 46 or 47. Should actually just be, yeah, I should just have to cross the street and then it'll be on my right.
She couldn't understand it.
I think I'm gonna publish an acoustic album of just me singing with my guitar. Let me know if you think that'd be cool. They got lots of awnings on the way over. Thank freak. Oh my god, look at the pigeon. Hello, birdie. It's illegal to pet you, but I want to. Man. Ugh. Do you guys think Lea Michele learned her script by reading or by audio? We can bully her, she's racist. Anyways, it's the Scientologist. Time I told the world I'm a Scientologist. Scientologist. Okay, we don't have to glare at people. My sister calls it time stealing and says every night I rob for the time. I call it quantum healing. I let nothing know. I like my dad said I should sleep where my mom seems worried my moods. But my friends hardly reach out, and I haven't brushed my hair in 3 days. Going on 4, my head's itchy. I think nobody, there it is. Maybe, ooh, that's the other ramen place I wanted to try. Mayhaps dinner? I wish. Osteria Sicily. Ooh, there's like good food up here. Egg. I gave up on my umbrella. At this point, she's a fashion accessory. Guess it's true what they say about being the sleepless, obsolete child. There she is. And I'm 10 whole minutes early. Thank you.
My family
Oh,
also
cool.
does. They
Thank
make
you.
Something from this. Yeah, sure.
They're literally killing it so good. We've been rehearsing all day. They're so good at it. This is like the hardest song in the show. They're doing so good. We're moving all our shit. This is the atmosphere of Don't Tell Mama. We're going to know it. Are they coming up?
Okay.
What's happening?
Where are we
You have
going?
to do it in batches because the door blocks this doorway. So
cool.
take a step in, and then
And now we go.
go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, umbrella. I got it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's okay, she's dead anyways.
Oh no.
The wind did me dirty, guys. Then we come downstairs.
And then turn right, and then right again. Oh, we have. It's a small.
Been seeing so much of wreck my voice on the
Hey.
We can hang out in the studio too.
Oh,
This is where our things are allowed to be. Yeah.
anyways, see you guys. Okay, so Cats is over. We obviously ate the house down boots. And now I think I'm gonna get some food because I am hungry, and then I'm going to go home. And you're probably thinking, Ronnie, didn't you eat pizza before this? Yeah, a bitch can eat more than one time. Oh my god. A very cute dirty face. Just once and for all, if they don't, our next, I could eat down. I'd be cheating, I've already done it.
24-hour Newsies or Newsies?
Newsies. This is my flashlight. It's very bright. I keep it in my backpack for emergencies.
So me?
Yeah. This is Henry.
Hey vlog.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh my god, is this a GoPro?
Yeah, this is my vlog.
Hey.
Welcome to say hi.
Who else is gonna go home in whiskers? Because I am.
No,
I whipped
am.
mine off aggressively.
But she's about to go hit something.
Yeah.
So
I mean, I probably will too, but I might go home first.
I'm gonna go home and then sit in my room so that way I can stare at my ceiling, as I love to do.
That sounds
Or
fun.
turn on the Earth Oceans movie.
I like that. I
And
like
that,
too.
that's a trip.
I'm gonna go
Or
snuggle with
everything
my
all at once.
That sounds awesome. You shouldn't have what you were supposed to. You should have gone in completion.
This is my baby.
Congratulations on having
the
the
camera.
only song that where there were words all the way through. Yeah,
on?
seriously.
Wait.
At one point I was like, I don't even know where the music is.
And they were, as far as I know, the right words.
I think so.
They were like pretty
happened.
correct, yeah.
I'm glad.
Like I was like, wow, okay, yeah. Something that people came to see.
Let me show you guys the amount of times that I wrote down the lyrics in my 4-hour break. So we have one.
4-hour break?
I did
Huh?
2,
Oh,
3,
I gotta start
4,
doing that.
Oh yeah.
5 times.
That's what I
Because she was off from lunch to like 4 p.m.
words.
today.
Do you know what I was doing? And I discovered this too late. I should have started doing this last night instead of right before the show.
Yeah.
So I used to do children's theater, and there was a very specific method for teaching children by rote the songs. And so I started doing that on
I
myself.
love that. I love that.
Like 1 line at a time.
Yep.
1 line at a time. 2 lines at a time. 2 lines at a time.
I've done that.
Next 1 line at a time.
Yeah.
You want to see
Yeah.
my kitty?
Oh yeah, I guess we can like
touch
fucking
me.
like get the fuck out of here and like.
I miss you so much.
Guys, I pulled out my keys before I got to my house. Wow. I feel like I deserve a treat.
Do you live close here?
I live at
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry.
Anyways, it went really good. We're going home. This is what I look like. This is what Kate looks like. Kate washed her face. Kate's pretty smart. I just don't feel like it. We're walking past the Church of Scientology. Do you think I'll scare Tom Cruise with my cat energy? This one?
Why is it just a stair descent?
So you can't see inside of it?